Financial sustainability going forward, we've made an operating loss this year. We've made a decision that, well, in the last year, we've made the decision in this financial year ending in 2010, we want to break even at an operating level. That's the first thing to start the road of financial sustainability. Going forward, finding a long-term sustainable funding model, particularly to respond to the build, is key. And we're busy with that with other stakeholders to deal with that.
The capacity expansion program is the largest ever undertaken by Eskom, and my colleagues think, and I agree with them, it's probably the largest infrastructure expansion program in the history of our country. Funding this program at a time of global economic crisis is a challenge. If we were to assume tariff increases at the same rate as the interim increase granted recently and effective on the 1st of July, that is 31.4%. So if we were to assume the same increase for the next 2 years, then an 80 billion rand gap of the nearly 400 billion rand expansion program, the 18,000 megawatt expansion program, is currently unfunded. Eskom is working urgently with both government and regulator to close this gap. We are confident that this can be done. Should we not be able to close the gap, we will have to introduce delays into some parts of the build program.